Guys, welcome back with the third and last regular puzzle, the third and last regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So we have one puzzle left, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And I want to mention that in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles today, no additional. So what I will do in the evening, I will solve in the we have in the additional of yesterday's edition 3 puzzles left. So in the evening I will do those 3 puzzles. News of today, well, I've showed you earlier. This is our Dutch king, and he now pays his income tax. Yeah, all those years he has not paid his income tax, so now there's a law for paying income tax by the king and the queen also. So I need to also pay the income tax, just like the other people. Alright. Number 7824. Before I start this Jigsaw Sudoku, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. It's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about duo boxes? I see here a duo box, there a duo box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Triple boxes. Do we have here triple box? I see here 1 triple box. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. This box is the inside box. Yeah, the box near the middle box, the inside box. 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. Well, see here 1 quadra box. I cannot fill those numbers. Well, this box can be a 3 and that box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 L shape. Then the following shape. This is the last shape. Let me draw this here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4. And the 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area from this 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, those two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, should be there. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area, should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers, 3 and the 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5, these two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Now we have a double 1 there, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then let me think. This box can be 2, this box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 8 minutes already passed. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. Then let me think. This box can be 3, this box can be 4, so 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2, and this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Alright. Let me see. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left with 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Now, this box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 in this quadra box. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Cannot believe this. What a speed in the flow. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday edition. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Thursday.